All right, so we're gonna open this box. We got a wastegate today, so let's unbox it. All right, open it. Open the box. We bought this from Cool Racing. Shout out to Cool Racing for delivering the wastegate. Let's see what we got in the package. Well, that's the wastegate right there. 14 PSI, black. Engineered to win, baby. More power, baby. Open it. And we have some tools, it looks like. So we got a fresh tool that comes with it. Got a little sticker, window sticker or something. What is that? Instructions? Instructions. And ports of what, to put on there if you want to cool it and stuff. Then you have your wastegate. The wastegate. So, gotta bolt this on. Comes with the wastegate. Fittings. This comes with the springs. More springs. Also comes with some hardware. The little thing for the bottom, so this will go right there to lock it in. 2 gaskets, which I love that they send these metal gaskets. So that's what we have in the box. And now let's put it on and review it, because the Chinese wastegate on my R34 took a crap, not even 1,000 miles. So hopefully this does better. We can get the car tuned. All right, let's go install it. No. Give me the screwdriver. No, come on. You're gonna scratch my car. Please, can I have it? Yeah. Thank you. Come on, help me out. All right, now that we got this situation under control, grab the screwdrivers out of there so you can't grab them. We gotta remove the wastegate, which is right there. So let's get going. I'm gonna remove it and show you guys what I use to remove these. All right, so what I'm using is one of these stubby wrenches by VMI and a stubby 6 by VMI from this kit. So it fits perfectly, like you can get on there. Show you guys. And get it right out. So that's how I'm gonna get it out. While I'm doing this, we're gonna help Rayma open this wastegate again, so we can put it on. All right, we had to get some water. We got this out. So the way this wastegate is gonna go, it's gonna go just like this. Boom, on the car. Downpipe going down. I'm doing the ports on this side, right here and right here. So this will be these 2 right here. Nick, Rayma, stop. And I'm gonna block this one back here. This one's already blocked. It came blocked already, but it came with an extra plug to plug the back one right here. And I'm gonna put some Teflon on there just to make it, fresh. All right, so next we're gonna remove this dump tube from the old one. Oh, they're tight. They're really tight. Hold on, I'll get them off. All right, so I got the dump tube out. Now time to install it on a new one, since, I'm gonna put new gaskets on it. This one wasn't leaking. It's the metal kind. Like I said, they're good. So I'm gonna keep these as spare for later on, but I'm just gonna put new ones since it's my car. You need these later. All right, so this fittings, they're 1/2 inch. I used the wrench to tighten them up. I put Teflon tape on them. What else? The other ones, these plugs, they're with this one right here, which is a 3/16. All right, so I installed the downpipe onto the new tile or Tubosmart wastegate, and now I'm gonna mount it on the car and test it. 14 psi stock boost. Today we are going to get tuned. Hopefully this time is the last time, because this is the 3rd time going over there. My boy Dyno over here, he's coming along today to watch some numbers, hopefully this time. Stay tuned, guys. So we're driving now. Just cruising at 66 miles per hour, doing the speed limit on the highway. So always make sure you guys do the speed limit on the highway. But holy shit, sometimes you just gotta let it go. Drop a gear and disappear, baby. We're right at the spot. We're about to turn Integra. We got lots of cars to get today. Stay tuned. Here are my boys, Carl, KP Tuning. This guy is a scientist, mad scientist. Yes, you can tell he works very professional. He's got a couple cars here. This fucking turbo LS. It's sick. He's got this truck. He's got the Integra. He just made like a couple hundred horsepower. Got this truck, and then he's got a 2J. And he got more stuff outside, but it's dark out. Can't show you that right now. Follow him, hit him up. Sick, dude.
Big cams.
What you make tonight?
What's that?
What you make tonight?
495. 490, something like that. On pump gas.
Like it.
Had boost controller issues, or would have made a lot more.
Boost controller?
Yeah, had a boost controller.
What kind of boost controller are you running?
It's a Maxon with 4-port. It was on the 20.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. So.
This thing's beautiful, dude.
No. No.
I love the wheels too, bro. You made this yourself, right?
No, I got them custom made.
Okay. Sick. You gonna do the right hand drive conversion?
Nah, same left hand drive.
Alright, that's what's up.
Thank you. Yeah, shop up in Telford Spray the bed. Yep.
That's it. You heard it. Tyler, my boy Tyler over here. Look at that. You did all the work yourself?
Yep. The only thing I didn't do was paint and fabrication.
Okay, but the paint job looks beautiful, dude. Whoever had this car before did a great job.
The stainless steel. What are these, titanium? Right?
Yep,
Oh,
titanium.
yeah.
Damn. Fresh radiator. That's a small radiator. How much was that radiator?
500.
500. That's what I just spent on mine.
Yeah.
But I had to buy a water neck that comes out of it
Okay.
so I can fill it up. It's
Yeah.
one of those slow, stealthy ones.
Yep.
You know who the tuner reminds me of? Paul Walker, bro. Paul Walker. Yeah, man. Alright, so we made 430 horsepower at 20 psi. 20 psi, guys. Last move, last move. My baby. She threw a flame out.
You got lucky with that one.
More fire, baby, more fire.
Continue on New Jersey 50 South for 5 miles.